Let me paint a picture for you. 1986, Philadelphia, and Cinderella. On August 2nd, 1986, glam metal band Cinderella would drop their debut album, Night Songs. This album is 10 songs, 36 minutes of glam rock. From the powerful drums to the lead vocals, you can practically smell the hairspray while listening to this album. Not gonna lie, it took a while for this album to grow on me, but you can read more about that in my blog, link in bio. My top 3 songs from the Princes of Pennsylvania are Nobody's Fool, Somebody Save Me, and Shake Me. Fun fact, Gene Simmons actually discovered Cinderella, but it wasn't until later that John Bon Jovi was actually able to get them a record deal. This Deadbird really challenged me, and it took me about a week to find out how I felt about Cinderella, but I'm really thankful that y'all suggested it. Be sure to let me know what I should cover next.